Mismo ko eh.
Wala, patay sila doon. Mag-gatekeep din sila doon. Oo nga. Ayun oh.
Buhay pa pala sila Edward,
And
bro.
there still is that Ross.
Mali pwesto nyo, wrong call shot. Di ganun guys, kasi may nakapwesto na sa windmill.
Wala, windmill guys, so puno din. Puno yung windmill.
Ano, ba't ngayon nasa windmill, bro?
Oh.
Looks
Discarded
like
na lang yung
4K
game.
Overload team is gonna go in
Wala
with
na
the
si Lee.
car. A double car
Nice try
sale
lang.
would be quite
Hindi kami na si Zero dahil...
Engaging the enemies.
Okay, they got two cars in this end game zone.
Bawal.
Bastos kasi sila Eduardo dumating eh.
Phenomenal. That's Lotex's car.
Wala guys eh, mga nangangailangan ng mga 4K.
They have learned from their previous mistakes here.
Mas
Love
marami
to
pa
see
tayong
that
kill sa main
from
team, guys.
Would love to see them win.
Madami pa tayo.
Number
Oh.
two here, ladies and gentlemen.
Placing
And
lang talaga na,
teams
pre.
left remaining.
Mas marami pa kaming kill sa main team, guys eh.
To the 18th
Doon
minute.
tayo
It looks like
natatalo sa
4
Pilipinas.
teams
Pero
are coming
mamaya
from the
pre,
back. Not gonna help.
magagamitin natin yan. Tiwala lang.
Good situation though as he dies instantly. Do any of these players have a medic plate carrier? Yes, they do. Jeff has it. Nerosa's going to rotate into the zone first. He's not got it. Oh, this could be a nice little clutch here.
Wagi, tanda ng likod, oy!
Jeff team up for an absolute massacre. Unfortunately,
Pinuri mo kasi Pride. Naglag.
Sarap ng preheat, no?
Naglag si Perg. Nawala nata ng wifi si Perg.
up for an absolute massacre. Unfortunately,
Okay,
it could be a tough rotation. Up for an absolute massacre. Unfortunately, it could be a tough rotation into the next zone for them. I don't think they currently-
Nawala ng ano si Perg, guys.
Next zone, ladies and gentlemen. Look at me dead.
Hindi, sa YT pre, sa YT kayo not YT.
Roll
the dick
It's
ko.
an open zone. It's right beside them.
YT eh, no?
Do they have a smoke bomber?
continuation.
They don't. They do have a defender to be used here. On the side of Jeff, he is
Ay, wala
getting
sounds, wala sounds,
needed
guys.
across the map here, hoping that
Ayan,
Viper
okay na.
can lose their needs if you're from the Philippines currently.
Oy, lalamang sila. Naubos si Lipan Bound. Mag-thank you kayo, 4K may sa ano, overload.
Actually surrounded
Ano, ubos ba ng
by
overload?
Naubos ng
four
overload.
different teams here. Oh my god, a smoke comes down, but I don't know if that's gonna be a
Guys, sino ba nag-shot call sa kanila na punta sa amin? Pahamak talaga si Tokyo Gaming na naman siguro
There's
yun.
so many players on around and players from Latin America over on
Oh,
this
sandwich
side. We
lang,
got
guys.
Philippines
Nice
on
try
that
lang.
side. We also have another
Ay,
Latin
ubos
American
ata
team
sila,
on
pare.
the other side. And it looks like this end game is gonna favor the Latin American pro teams. Will stay on board
Naipit
here
tuloy kami
with
lahat dun.
Magic. Oh my god. These guys are looking real good here, ladies and gentlemen. They're looking real good indeed.
Whoa, what
16
the-
eliminations. Bang! Able to land the Annihilator shot. The Goats are coming in.
Malimaw.
And oh my, they're making it look easy.
Sila yung nasa windmill, oh.
Number 3, another kill's gonna get
Sila yung nasa
confirmed.
windmill, sila yun.
Senior leader, Alligator. Lotex clutches.
Lotex, maglaklas ba? Papakalbo ko.
21 kills and a win?
Wala, nandun
For
siya sa
the
likod pre.
Goats?
Yung na-down down.
I
hindi
think
nila
their
nakita.
neon stacks up
Anyari?
here nicely, ladies and gentlemen.
Nice.
A 21 kill win on the end game. Lotex, I
21
mean,
plus-
he's just sitting outside of the zone. Nothing really
Ay,
to do
nag-lag siya.
here. I'll see you later.
Si Perg
Alligator.
ay nawawalan ng
That's
net,
gonna guarantee
guys.
him about 36 points. And finally,
Grabe
Lotex
yun,
is going to be eliminated due to the zone. A good clutch
Yo,
from him
ganda
staying
pag
alive right
nakapwesto
there,
na
may
agad
I
na, pre.
add, ladies and
Oh,
gentlemen.
pwesto
Sila
natin.
yung nakapwesto sa windmill pre.
Gagi, wag natin hintayin yung lip na magro-rotate. Lugi tayo sa gamit nun eh.
And he
Pasok na agad.
played the
Doon
smoke.
Oh, pasok na agad tayo.
Nobody's seen him
Kasi
with the smoke
binibigyan
bomber,
tayo
of
ng
course.
dalawang team na
Say
butaw
what?
ng score.
Second place. They're not going to get many points for that game. And in
Ilang
fact,
kills
I
tayo,
think
pre?
the Goats are
Naka-12
gonna
ba
rise
tayo?
up the ranks here quite
13.
nicely. 36 points
12.
game number 2 performance. Dare I say, they may have catched up
Pwede na.
towards the Four Kings
Wa-
roster.
Okay guys, mas okay labanan kasi global guys. Yung mga Garena guys, palong-palong matindi yung pangailangan guys. Doon muna tayo sa mga global.
So good to see it from
Pero
Lotex,
ano yung
but
consistent yung isang global na yun pre.
Yan nga sila
in there. They got
Panchito.
quite a few kills there as well. Four Kings being still 6th
Consistent.
place.
sumibat na pala si Magic kay Lotog, no?
Looking too damn bad. They get 12 eliminations.
Di naman niya
Hell
kakampihan,
yeah,
Kumag.
they get 6th
Kakampi
place.
niya yan. Sila nila Slayer.
Di-
Points. If you look
Di niya
over on the
kakampihan.
scoreboard that's
Ah,
on
ayaw
your
niya na
screen
ba
after
doon?
game number 1, they
Ah, si
should
iPlex
be
pala yung sumibat. Si
won,
iPlex
but
tsaka si
still
Iken.
points
iPlex
as we
yung
get
ano
the
sa
scores
kanila.
tallied up for you.
Oh, si sa K9 na si Airflex so. Yan, tsaka si Iken yung dalawang palo yan.
Last game, but unfortunately Viper pulled up on them and just eradicated them out of the competition. But at least
Si Edward din sumibat na rin sa 4K Joker na tol.
go in with one car, everyone in the same bit.
Grabe si Eduardo pala. Si Eduardo pala pumupunto sa kanila pare.
You can see loading.
Ay, pumunta si Edward.
Grabe talaga si Edward.
Their fourth remaining teammate, which I I just can't even pronounce that.
Grabe
name.
siya,
I'm not
Kazo.
gonna try
Grabe
on it,
ka na,
ladies and
Kazo.
gentlemen.
Pre,
Grabe
kailangan
na, meow.
natin ano yan, may pangangailangan tayo to. Kailangan nating ayusin, pre.
Pambili ng paan yan. Paddle.
Paddle, pre, kailangan natin bumili bago paddle. Yula naman, Yula.
Absolutely scrummed.
Inch, claim mo na yung 100 USD, sa'yo na yun.
Any of the other teams
Akin na
here
ba
that
yun?
you guys will
Oo,
want
yung
to
sa last,
see will
pang
appear
ambag
on
mo
your
sa
screen
iPad
just
mo.
now as we go down. ENL,
Kunin mo
we've
na yun.
seen this
Grabe
from
ka
them
na,
before.
Renzo.
They've won games in the final.
Pasikaso mo kay Ate Nice.
And they
Bigyan mo na lang
unfortunately
500.
lost their consistency. They're finishing in 15th place
Yun,
after
grabe
that
yan.
game. And like
Si
I
Renzo,
said,
guys.
I mean, chat, we had a heart-to-heart. 4K
Mamaya.
Joker has been known for being the joke of a team.
Uy, wabad mo ba kami ina-explain?
But it's not because they're bad at the game.
Nag-explain ka pa.
Because for whatever reason, they have a block from getting into that late game.
Mamaya pa pala laban ng TL no, guys.
And they did it again here. But
Nag-explain pa
unfortunately,
to.
they finished 13th place.
Pre, alisin mo yung placing, ubusin namin yan. Alisin mo yung placing.
Come on. I feel like they have so much
Kaya nga,
more to
placing
give
lang na
us.
pre.
Alisin mo yung placing, ubusin namin yan.
Alive in the late game. Their early game performances are always so good. And they take those fights and they destroy. But they just can't make it into the end.
Wala eh, ganun talaga, Ferg.
Bakit daw kayo nag-
The team that finished
Kumbaga, intro boy kami, Ferg eh. Sa umpisa lang kami magaling. Hindi naman lalaki yung kasama ko.
Died over there by Heat on the map, the top right-hand corner of the map, unfortunately. Died very
Magpapanggap
early
lang no, pre.
on, along with Rebar.
Okay lang sana kung umpisa lang magaling, pero di naman lalaki yung kasama ko, guys.
Father Ali, man. Heart goes out to the Africans, chat. You know, we love Africa here, but my favorite African team in this finals.
Kaya na, sige.
Pre, naitlog yung GC, tsaka yung Lip, pare.
Did good in game
Good job, Global.
number
Yeah, eh.
3.
Good job.
Imalip yan eh.
As we're getting ready to get
Ay, naitlog
into
yung ano,
it.
pre, GG tsaka Lip.
Uy, no, top 25 sila, Sekro, inubusan ng Clip, pare. Drop point.
Hold on a second.
Oh,
I actually
sino-
had
sino ba yun
a
sila, pre, ng
message
Global?
come in from one of
Ay, masaya,
my
pre. May mga sumasabay na sa
subscribers
mga
from
palo
Persia.
talaga na
Let's
teams na,
see
pre.
if I can actually
Baga-
bring this up real quick.
Yun lang
Sabay
naman
kung
kalaban
sabay.
ng pro player, pre.
Premium
Yung
is
early.
Medina, and
Oh, early
she
yun.
sent
Early.
me
Early lang talaga
a voice
pinaka
note.
maano
I
sa ano.
can't seem to find it. I want to see if I can find this voice note because she told me how to say. She told me how to say I love you in person.
Yung sabi mo, nababaan ng mga loyal dun kayo. Hindi pwede kasi tatlo lang kaming loyal. Yung isa namin manloloko kasi babaero. Okay?
Say Dusetunda.
Wala nyo na lang kung sino, guys.
Let me hear it one more time.
You
Right.
should say
Boto ko.
Yung nagsalita, yung nagsalita, guys, yung nagsalita.
Uy, ano mo naloko?
Oh,
Ano
hey,
daw,
guys.
pinagsasalitang babae, ano sinasabi nun?
Ginagamit-
Defensive, pre. Defensive, pre.
Oh, defensive mo, ginagamit daw yung pagiging 4K para mang babae.
Grabe. Sinisiraan ako, sinisiraan. Ako sinisiraan ako.
Defensive, pre. Wala ta.
All right, a great game two.
Defensive,
We're gonna get
guys.
ready to start game number 3 as soon as the admin team is ready to go. We'll get
Paano
right
daw
into it.
magiging
Remember,
babaero si Pride?
it's a
Si Pride Eyombot.
7-game series.
Oo,
It'll be
ito, pre, oh.
7 games
Siyang
to
galaw
prove it
nito,
all.
oh.
Grabe naman kayo sa
Of
akin.
the juiciest, scrumptiousest prize pool.
O, ba't kinikik yun?
Haven't heard any words from
Gogi, may
the
nag-
man, Holy Father.
nag-i-invite sa
Hopefully
Opret
he
sa
gets
ano,
electricity
sa World,
back
pre.
soon. I mean, fingers crossed for all of that, of course.
Ay, thank you,
Either way,
Sarpin.
we're gonna
Lopi,
get
Obito.
the game number
Oy, thank you sa
3
nagtatap-top, guys, ha. Maraming salamat.
on your screen because
Oh, ni damin magpa-late game, guys. Ang dami namin laging kill. Di lang kami umabot dulo.
I know I'm biased, but I mean, come on. Already getting the game 2 scores, and we haven't even started.
Pre!
Number 3.
Pre! Mas mataas puntos natin, pre! Mamaya kayo sa amin, pre. Yung top 3 lamang lang natin, 7 points. Mamaya kayo sa amin. Mamaya kayo sa amin.
Naman! Sayang, oh!
Kasi kung may placing kami yung top